This is Knoxville. We're here at the Sun Sphere in the World's Fair Park. I came here when I was a little kid. It's exciting to be back. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our field trip. This is our second one of the series. We're going to take ourselves downtown, walk through the market square, and see if we can't find any vendors. It's during the middle of the week, so we may not be that lucky, but at least we'll get some good food. So we are in the dead center of Market Square. There are no real open vendors today, but here we are with all of the restaurants, the shops. Again, it's fall break, so UT is out for fall break. Not a lot jumping down here. So I think we are going to go straight here to Tupelo Honey, a local chain. So let's give that a try. Welcome to Dollywood. We're here today with my nephews. We're really excited. It's the Fall Festival. They're looking at the Great Pumpkin, what does that say? Luminites. We're here for the Autumn Fall Festival that they do the food for. And I guess, are you going to talk right into the microphone? Tell us your name. What's your name?
Otis.
Otis. Are you having fun in the park?
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. Well, we're on a field trip for my TV show. And what we're going to do today is we're going to ride some rides, but we're going to get a fall food pass, and we're going to visit around the park just to make sure that we taste everything here. So are you ready for some good food?
Yes.
I think Arlo's run off because he wants the ice cream. So let's have a good time today, all right?
All right.
Okay, here we go. Ready? Wave to everybody. Welcome to the island in Pigeon Forge. We're on day 3 of our field trip as we move through East Tennessee. We went to Knoxville, we went to Dollywood, and now we're here at the island in Pigeon Forge. It's very early, nothing's open yet, so we're just going to walk around and see what's available to us. Probably stop somewhere and have breakfast. I'll try to have some screenshots of that for you. And then maybe we can pick up some dry rubs, spices, sauces, something that we'll be able to cook with. So come with us as we enjoy the island.